Hello, welcome guys. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on sticky notice background apps in Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, if you want to turn on sticky notice background apps in Windows 10 PC or laptop, so very easy. First, click on Start, type here Settings. After click on Privacy. Scroll down left panel. Click on Background Apps. Scroll down. Here option sticky notice. So guys, if you want to turn on or enable, so select to on position. That is. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to turn on sticky notice background apps in Windows 10 PC or laptop. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for latest update. Please comment this video useful or not. Thank you for watching this video.